We should keep it clean and healthy. Environment gives us air, water, etc. We should plant more trees to save it. Clean environment is good for health. Environment is our home. We are live in the environment. Animals are live in the environment too. Plants gives us oxygen to breathe. We should save our environment. Thank you.
Thank you, Shalika, for your words. Put your hands together for her.
Closely as our little stars transform into heroes, leaders, and creators. Let's welcome our Francidas participants.
Hi, I am Ayat. I am here. Home. Keep me clean and green. Reduce pollution. Protect me always. Thank you. Hi, I am a tree. I give you oxygen to breathe. Save me. Don't cut this plant. More trees. Save Earth. Thank you. Hi, I am Rainbow. You have 7 beautiful colors. Spread happiness and joy. Be colorful and positive. Thank you. Hello, I am Pujasti. Do you know who I am? Water. Save water, save water, save, save, save. Don't waste me. Save water, save life. Thank you. My name is Pritika. Hello, I am a teacher. I teach subject and also good manners. I am a role model to my students. I aim to make their future bright. I am proud to be a teacher in Nila School. I like teaching and I like my students very much. Thank you. Hello, I am a boo and give you knowledge and wisdom. Read me daily. Books are your best friend. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I am Blackboard. Teacher used me to teach students. I help students to clean new things. Education is very important in life. Study well and achieve your goals. Thank you. Hi, good evening everyone. I am Jack Clark. I show the time. Time is very important in our life. Do not waste time. Follow time and be successful. Thank you. Good evening everyone. I am a newspaper. I give you daily news from around the world. Reading me increases your knowledge. Make it a habit to read news daily. Gain knowledge and be smart. Thank you. Hello, I am a phone. I connect people around the world. You can talk, learn, and play using me, but do not use me too much. Use me usually for good purpose. Thank you. I am a doctor. I help sick people to become healthy. Don't forget to wash your hands. Eat healthy food and exercise daily. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. Good evening everyone. I am a nurse. I take care of patients with love. I give medicine and support doctor. Be kind and caring like me. Thank you.
வணக்கம், நான் ரத்தம். நான் உங்கள் உடலில் ஒவ்வொரு செல்களுக்கும் ஆக்சிஜனையும் ஆற்றலையும் வழங்குகிறேன். என்னை நீங்கள் தானமாக அளிக்கும் போது பல உயிரை காப்பாற்றலாம். என்னை நீங்கள் தானமாக அளிக்கும் போது இது கீழ் ஜாதி ரத்தம் எனக்கு வேண்டாம் என்று யாரும் கூறுவதில்லை. நன்றி, வணக்கம். Hello, I am blood. I provide oxygen and energy to in your body. If you donate me, you can save many lives. If you donate me, no say This blood is lower class blood. I don't want it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am an apple. An apple a day keeps doctor away. I am a very healthy fruit. I make your body strong and fit. Eat fruit daily and stay healthy. Thank you.
Hello, I am healthy food. Eat fruits and vegetables every day. Avoid junk food. Be strong and active. Healthy. Stay happy. Thank you.
I protect people and maintain life. Be honest and follow rules. Expect police. Thank you. Hi, I am a traffic signal. Red means stop. Yellow means wait. Green means go. Follow rules. Stay safe. Thank you. Hi, I am traffic police. I control traffic and yellow rules and I keep you safe. Thank you. Travel to space. I carry satellite and astronaut. Dream big, reach to high. Thank you. Hi, I am a pilot. I fly